Imagine turning your everyday car into something straight out of the future. Smarter, faster, and way more exciting to drive. Most drivers only see their cars as simple machines to get from point A to B. But what if yours could do so much more? There's an entire world of hidden gadgets out there. Powerful, clever, and surprisingly affordable that can completely transform how your car looks, feels, and performs. These aren't just accessories. They're upgrades that can make your car feel brand new again. And the best part, hardly anyone knows about them. Gadget number 1, automatic mirror folding module. Have you ever walked away from your car, only to glance back and see your side mirrors sticking out, practically begging to be clipped by a passing bike or car door? That's exactly the problem the automatic mirror folding module solves. And once you install it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. This clever little device connects directly to your car's central locking system. The moment you lock your vehicle, it folds your mirrors in automatically, and the second you start your engine, they glide back out like magic. The benefits go way beyond just looking cool. First, it protects your mirrors from getting damaged in tight parking spots or busy streets, which can save you hundreds in repair costs. Second, it's a subtle theft deterrent. Folded mirrors signal that the car is locked and armed, making thieves think twice. Third, it adds convenience. No more leaning across the car or fiddling with switches just to fold them in. And finally, it gives your car a touch of premium style. That sleek motion instantly makes your ride feel more high-end. Installation is effortless and doesn't require any permanent changes to your car's wiring, making it perfect for anyone. Hidden away neatly inside the dashboard or fuse box, it stays out of sight but delivers constant convenience. Once it's set up, it's one less thing to think about every time you park or start your car. Gadget number 2, Viking Horn's Air Horn Kit. Imagine turning a simple drive into a commanding presence on the road. That's exactly what the Viking Horn's Air Horn Kit does. Forget your standard car horn. This system unleashes the thunderous sound of 4 metal horns powered by a high-pressure compressor, reaching up to 150 psi. The result? A deep, attention-grabbing 149 decibel roar that can be heard blocks away, ensuring everyone knows you're there, whether it's for safety, signaling, or just making a bold statement. Beyond the impressive sound, there are several key advantages. First, the powerful air compressor ensures a consistent blast every time without faltering. Second, the kit's design is ultra-modern and aggressive, with 4 black metal horns and a glossy air reservoir that instantly adds style to your engine bay. Third, installation is straightforward, giving you a professional-grade horn system without complex modifications. And finally, the oil-free compressor guarantees low maintenance, keeping your horn ready for years of reliable use. Whether it's for crowded city streets or open highways, the Viking Horn's Air Horn Kit isn't just loud, it's a statement of safety, style, and performance. Compact, durable, and striking, it transforms your car from ordinary to unforgettable every time you press the horn. Gadget number 3, Car Fragrance Humidifier. Imagine stepping into your car and being greeted by a fresh, soothing aroma every time. That's exactly what the Car Fragrance Humidifier brings to your daily drive. This compact device combines 3 powerful functions: a humidifier to combat dry air, an aromatizer for your favorite essential oils, and an ionizer that purifies the cabin with beneficial negative ions. The result is a refreshed, calming atmosphere that makes every journey more enjoyable. Its ultrasonic technology creates ultra-fine vapor at just 6 microns, ensuring the fragrance spreads evenly without wetting surfaces. With a 2-hour water tank, it's perfect for short trips or long drives, and its silent operation means it won't distract you while driving. Adding your favorite essential oil not only fills the cabin with pleasant scents, but also promotes relaxation and well-being. Easy to use and stylishly compact, the Car Fragrance Humidifier transforms any car interior into a comfortable, clean, and inviting space. It's the small upgrade that makes a big difference every time you hit the road. Gadgets number 4, Plastic Welding Machine. Repairing damaged car parts doesn't have to be a headache anymore, thanks to the plastic welding machine. Whether it's a cracked bumper, interior panel, or any other plastic component, this tool makes repairs precise, fast, and professional. With adjustable temperatures ranging from 50 to 6500 and a powerful 1600-watt output, it melts virtually any synthetic material, allowing you to weld large surfaces or tiny sections with ease. The kit comes with a variety of interchangeable nozzles for accuracy and a silicone pressure roller to create perfectly smooth, strong seams. Its lightweight design, just around 3 pelvins, and ergonomic handle make long repair sessions effortless. Plus, a spare heating element and a set of PVC and polyethylene welding rods ensure you're always prepared for any repair job. Durable, versatile, and efficient, the plastic welding machine transforms DIY repairs from frustrating to satisfying. It's not just a tool, it's your car's new best friend when it comes to restoring plastic parts quickly and professionally. Gadget number 5, LED door logo lights. Want to add a touch of style and personalization to your car? LED door logo lights are the perfect accessory. These compact projectors replace your standard door lights and project your car's logo onto the ground whenever you open the door, instantly giving your ride a premium custom look. Made with durable nano glass and high-brightness energy-efficient LEDs, these lights are built to last and won't fade for years. Installation is simple, no drilling or complicated wiring required. Just plug them in and your doors light up with a sleek, eye-catching glow every time you enter or exit your car. Stylish, practical, and surprisingly affordable, LED door logo lights are a small upgrade that makes a big impression, turning ordinary car entry into a luxurious experience. Gadget number 6. Undercarriage cleaner. Cleaning the hard-to-reach parts of your car has never been easier thanks to the undercarriage cleaner. This innovative tool connects to a high-pressure washer and features a 16-inch nozzle equipped with 4 powerful jets, blasting away stubborn dirt, oil, salt, and grime from fenders, underbody, exhaust systems, and other tight spots. The set includes 2 extension tubes, one straight and one bent at a 45 triangle, allowing you to reach every corner without crawling under your car. With water pressure up to 4,000 psi, it handles even the toughest messes efficiently, leaving your undercarriage spotless and well-maintained. Durable, practical, and easy to use, the undercarriage cleaner saves time, protects your vehicle from corrosion, and ensures your car's hidden areas are as clean as the visible ones. It's a must-have tool for anyone serious about car care. Gadget number 7. Alarm terminals. Keep your car safer and smarter with alarm terminals, also known as universal door limit switches. These compact push-button switches are designed to activate lights, alarms, or other vehicle systems whenever doors, the hood, or the trunk are opened. Made of sturdy metal with oxidation-protected contacts, they're built to last and can handle standard 12-volt automotive systems. Their adjustable length allows perfect alignment with any door or flap, ensuring reliable operation every time. Easy to install and versatile, alarm terminals are a simple upgrade that enhances your car's security and lighting systems without any complicated wiring or tools. Gadget number 8. Wax applicator sponges. Achieve a flawless, professional-looking finish on your car with wax applicator sponges. This set of 12 high-quality polyurethane foam sponges is designed for polishing, waxing, and applying protective compounds evenly across your vehicle's surfaces. Their soft yet resilient texture ensures no lint or streaks are left behind, while the porous structure allows for economical use of waxes and liquids. Compact and easy to handle, they're perfect for both large flat surfaces and tight spots like mirrors, door handles, and interior details. Simple, effective, and long-lasting. These wax applicator sponges are a must-have for anyone who wants to maintain a showroom shine without wasting time or product. Gadget number 9. T10 LED backlight bulbs. Brighten up your car's interior with T10 LED backlight bulbs, designed to provide even powerful illumination for any cabin space. These compact bulbs feature 14 high-quality SMD LEDs that flood your interior with a crisp 6000K cool white light, leaving no dark corners behind. Using advanced 2835 SMD chips, they offer energy-efficient performance and a long lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, while the aluminum heatsink ensures fast heat dissipation. Perfect for standard W5W and T10 sockets, they instantly upgrade your interior lighting experience. Easy to install and incredibly effective, T10 LED backlight bulbs bring modern brightness and clarity to your vehicle's interior, enhancing visibility and style in one simple upgrade. Gadget number 10. AOP QC 3.0 Car Charger. Charge your devices faster than ever with the AOP QC 3.0 car charger. Equipped with 2 high-tech ports and 45 watts of power, it can charge your smartphone from 0 to 55% in just 35 minutes, 3 times faster than conventional chargers. Its dual-core chip ensures both ports can charge simultaneously at maximum speed without losing power, while the robust metal casing protects against overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits. Compact and sleek, it easily fits into any car's cigarette lighter socket. Reliable, safe, and ultra-fast, the AOP QC 3.0 car charger is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their devices powered efficiently during every journey. Gadgets number 11. Emergency Escape Tool. Stay prepared for any roadside emergency with the Emergency Escape Tool, a multifunctional car hammer designed for life-saving situations. Equipped with a hardened steel glass breaker, it can shatter side and rear windows with a single strike, while the high-carbon steel blade easily cuts through seatbelts. Built-in LED flashlight with 3 modes, constant, strobe, and SOS, ensures visibility in dark or urgent conditions, and the 2200 mAh battery doubles as an external charger for smartphones and navigation devices. Its aircraft-grade aluminum body is both durable and lightweight, lightweight, designed to withstand extreme situations, compact, powerful, and versatile. The emergency escape tool is an essential accessory for every driver, providing safety, convenience, and peace of mind on the road. Gadget number 12. Leather car gap filler. Say goodbye to the frustration of dropping small items between your car seats and center console with the leather car gap filler. Made of soft, matte eco leather, this universal insert fits snugly into even the narrowest gaps, preventing coins, keys, and gadgets from falling through. Not only does it protect your belongings, but the premium eco leather material is gentle on seat surfaces, easy to clean, and adds a touch of elegance to your car interior. Available in black and brown, it complements any car design while remaining practical and durable. Simple to install, effective and stylish, the leather car gap filler ensures your car stays tidy and organized, making every drive more convenient and enjoyable. Gadget number 13. Wire marking kit. Keep your car's wiring neat, organized, and easy to identify with the wire marking kit. This set includes colored plastic clip rings that securely attach to wires and cables ranging from 3 to 4 millimeters in diameter, helping you create a custom coding system for your vehicle's electronics. With numbers 0 to 9 and multiple color options, these durable rings are resistant to moisture, fire, and temperature changes, ensuring long-lasting performance. Perfect for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, they make troubleshooting and maintenance fast, precise, and stress-free. Compact, versatile, and easy to use, the wire marking kit transforms messy wiring into a clean, organized system, saving time and preventing mistakes in every automotive project. Gadget number 14. Wireless charging car holder. Combine convenience and innovation with the wireless charging car holder, a sleek 2-in-1 accessory that keeps your smartphone secure while charging it on the go. Equipped with automatic infrared recognition, the holder gently clamps your device into place the moment you bring it close, starting wireless charging instantly. With a 15-watt fast charging capability, your phone powers up efficiently while the swivel mount allows optimal viewing angles for navigation, calls, or streaming. Compact and stylish, it keeps your dashboard clutter-free while providing safe, hands-free phone usage. Easy to install and ultra-functional, the wireless charging car holder is the perfect companion for modern drivers who want both safety and speed when it comes to keeping devices charged on the road. Gadget number 15. Scratch removal cloth. Keep your car looking flawless with the scratch removal cloth, a versatile and easy-to-use solution for removing minor scratches, dirt, and scuffs from any car surface. Suitable for all colors and models, these cloths quickly restore a polished, shiny finish without damaging the paintwork. Simply ensure the surface is clean and dry. Put on gloves and gently rub the affected area with the cloth. The microfiber material lifts dirt and polishes simultaneously, leaving the treated section smooth and streak-free. Compact, efficient, and essential for any car owner, the scratch removal cloth ensures your vehicle always looks its best, turning small imperfections into a flawless, showroom-ready shine. Gadget number 16. Universal laptop power adapter. Charge almost any laptop on the go with the Universal Laptop Power Adapter, a compact and versatile solution for travelers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts. Equipped with 34 DC connectors and 120-watt power output, it eliminates compatibility issues, ensuring your devices stay powered wherever you are. In addition to laptops, the adapter features a USB port for simultaneous charging of smartphones, tablets, or other digital devices. Multiple voltage options from 12 volts to 24 volts make it easy to match your device's requirements, while the aluminum alloy casing provides reliable protection against overheating, overloading, and short circuits. Lightweight, portable, and highly efficient, the Universal Laptop Power Adapter guarantees uninterrupted productivity, keeping all your essential gadgets powered safely on the road or at home. Gadget number 17. 10.1-inch car stereo. Upgrade your car entertainment with the 10.1-inch car stereo, featuring seamless support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The vibrant IPS touchscreen delivers sharp, vivid colors and responsive controls, making it easy to navigate apps, music, and maps without taking your eyes off the road. Stream music, browse the internet, or watch videos with built-in Wi-Fi, while the GPS receiver ensures accurate offline and online navigation. Advanced sound customization is at your fingertips with EQ settings, subwoofer support, and 15-band graphic controls to tailor the audio to your exact preference. Combining cutting-edge connectivity, rich visuals, and customizable audio, the 10.1-inch car stereo transforms every drive into a high-tech, immersive experience for drivers and passengers alike. Gadget number 18. Keyless Engine Oil Tester. Ensure your engine runs smoothly with the Keyless Engine Oil Quality Tester, a reliable tool for monitoring oil health and detecting impurities. carbon deposits, or harmful substances that could damage your engine. With accurate diagnostics and easy-to-read LED indicators, it helps prevent costly engine issues before they become serious. The tester features a convenient calibration function for precise readings and is crafted from high-quality ABS plastic for durability and long-lasting use. Simple to operate, it's ideal for regular vehicle maintenance, giving drivers confidence that their engine oil is always in top condition. Compact, efficient, and user-friendly, the keyless oil tester is an essential tool for anyone who wants to protect their engine, save money on repairs, and maintain peak vehicle performance. Gadget number 19. Car Roof Bag. Maximize your car's storage capacity with the Car Roof Bag, a fully waterproof and tear-resistant solution for transporting luggage, sports gear, or camping equipment. Made from durable 600D PVC tarpaulin, it protects your belongings from rain, dust, and harsh outdoor conditions while keeping them secure during travel. Installation is quick and easy, fitting most cars and SUVs with or without roof rails. The anti-slip mat, luggage lock hooks, and included storage bag make setup and transport hassle-free. With an impressive 15 cubic feet of space, the roof bag can hold multiple suitcases, tents, or sleeping bags, perfect for long trips or family vacations. Lightweight, portable, and versatile, the Car Roof Bag ensures your adventures are worry-free, giving you extra space without compromising safety or convenience. And that wraps up our first set of 19 incredible car gadgets and accessories that can transform your driving experience. From high-tech upgrades to practical tools, each of these items is designed to make your life on the road safer, easier, and more enjoyable.